Hello and welcome to What the Hell, a channel about cooking, recipes, and just my daily life that I'm sharing with you guys. Thank you for watching my first video about matcha. This video is going to be on Vietnamese coffee or café soda. It's a recipe that I'm pulling from my memory, which was way back in the 1980s, my first exposure to Vietnamese coffee. I was a child. Instead of going to a relative's house or being babysat, my parents would drop me off at my family's business. And at the business, me and my brother, we were always up to no good. So they gave us certain tasks to watch over things. And one of my tasks was to watch over the coffee. So they would have a tray out of, 20, 25 cups of coffee with filters on them. They would pour the condensed milk. They would put the filter on top, put the ground up coffee into the filter and just have that slow pour of the water. And my job was to just make sure all that water got into the cup, which was kind of silly because it automatically just went into the cup. No mess required, but that was to kind of shut me up as a kid. Check out the video. I hope you guys enjoy it. For this recipe, I'm using ground coffee from Café du Monde. Pour a layer of condensed milk into the cup or glass. Make sure the glass is able to accept high temperatures from boiling water. Oh yeah, I'm using Longevity brand gold condensed milk. Nothing wrong with purchasing the can, but the squeeze bottle makes it a lot easier. Heat up some water about 190 to 195 Fahrenheit or 87 to 90 Celsius and pour enough to fill the filter. The secret ingredient is to have a child watch over the drip as a means of entertainment. That's what my aunts and uncles did with me. Don't worry, I turned out fine. I was kind of stupid and did this step in reverse. I suppose this works too. In this video, I put the ice in first, then use the stirring rod to mix the contents. I recommend mixing it first, then adding the ice, then stirring it a bit more. There you have it, Vietnamese coffee. If you'd like to support this channel, please like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.